In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to what is Pumpfun. Pump.fun is a website built on the Solana blockchain that allows people to create and trade meme coins very quickly and at a very low cost. If you're new to crypto, meme coins are tokens that are often inspired by internet jokes, trends, or online communities. They can be fun and highly speculative, which means their value can move very fast and unpredictably. To get started, head over to the Pump.fun website. Once you're there, the main idea is simple. This platform gives nearly anyone the ability to launch a token in just seconds, without needing advanced technical skills or a large budget. That ease of use is one of the reasons Pump.fun has become popular among people exploring meme-based crypto projects on Solana. One important thing to understand about Pump.fun is that it uses what's called a fair launch system. In plain English, that means all tokens are minted at once instead of being distributed early to a private group through pre-sales. The goal here is to reduce the advantage that insiders sometimes have on other platforms. For many users, this makes the launch process feel more open and accessible. Another major point is cost. Creating a token on Pump.fun typically costs only a small amount, often less than a few dollars, thanks to Solana's relatively low transaction fees. That low barrier to entry is a big part of the platform's appeal. It allows creators to experiment without the kind of high setup costs you might see on other blockchains. Pump.fun is also designed for trading, not just launching. After a coin is created, users can buy and sell it directly through the platform. That means it functions as both a creation tool and a marketplace for these tokens. If you're browsing the site, you'll usually see various meme coins being launched and traded in real time. As you explore, keep in mind that platforms like this can move very quickly. Meme coins are often driven by hype, community interest, and online attention rather than traditional fundamentals. So while Pump.fun makes the process simple, it's still important to be cautious, do your own research, and understand the risks before spending any money. So in short, Pump.fun is a Solana-based platform that lets anyone launch and trade meme coins quickly, cheaply, and through a fair launch model with no insider pre-sales. If your goal is simply to understand what Pump.fun is, that's the core idea behind it and why so many people are talking about it.